Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and I'm taking a first look at the Wurkkos TD05 Tactical Flashlight. So opening it up out of this box, first thing, instructions, the flashlight, a charging cable, additional thanks, and a lanyard. So let's get all this extra stuff out of the way and take a look at the product we care about. So this thing is pretty interesting. It's got a dual clip design, like some of the other flashlights. It is a USB-C charging. There's a charger here, if you can see that. The head is of a tactical design, so you can use it in an emergency to break glass or something. And this little light will tell you how much power it has. Unique to this flashlight, I think, this turns it on, and then this cycles through the different modes, right? And then you turn it off. So this thing has 7 modes: eco, low, medium, high, turbo, strobe, and SOS, so that's great. It's IP68 waterproof and 1 meter drop resistance, so I'm pretty excited about that. This is probably going to be kind of a car flashlight for me because it does have that special head that you can use to break things in an emergency, so if I need to get out. Pretty excited about that. So cool little flashlight. Is both tactical, but fits in the palm of my hand. So stay tuned and I'll take you outside and we'll see how bright these different modes are. All right, everyone. I'm out here at my local park with the TD05. It's a fairly bright night, but right in front of me is the eco mode, so the 10 lumen, and then moving up, that is the next mode. So you can probably just barely make out that trough 10 feet in front of me. Going to our next mode. All right, you can see quite a bit further. Past the trough, probably not to the picnic table. There we go. There's the higher mode. You can probably just barely make out the picnic table. And then there's the turbo. So not a whole lot different between the high and the turbo, but it is slightly noticeable to the eye. Then we have the strobe mode. So you can see same 1800 lumen brightness. And we can also move to the SOS mode. So this is a very cool flashlight with its tactical head that you can use to smash things if you need to. It's going to go in my car just in case I need it for that. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.